Do you think apples are only for eating? Think again. From backyard orchards to full-scale income, apples can be your next fruitful success. Let's uncover how, when, and where to grow apples, and how to turn them into money. Welcome to the ultimate guide on apples, a timeless fruit that's as profitable as it is delicious. Whether you want to grow your own apple tree or build an apple-based business, this video gives you everything you need, from planting to profit. 1. Season of apple. Apple season usually begins in late summer and runs through fall, especially between August and October depending on the variety and region. In cooler climates, apples ripen later in the year, while warmer regions see early harvests. 2. How to grow apple. Apples are best grown from grafted saplings, not seeds, to ensure fruit quality. Choose a sunny location with cold winters, and well-drained loamy soil. Dig a deep hole, place the sapling, mix compost, water well, and mulch the base. Plant in early spring or late fall for best results. 3. Time to bear fruit. Apple trees take about 3 to 5 years to produce fruit, depending on the variety and rootstock. Dwarf trees may bear fruit sooner than full-sized ones. Pruning, pollination, and proper care speed up this timeline. 4. Best growing region. Apples thrive in temperate climates with cold winters and moderate summers. Ideal regions include the USA, Washington, Michigan, New York, Canada, Europe, China, and northern India. They require a chill period during winter to produce healthy fruit. 5. How to care for apple tree. Apple trees need regular pruning, especially during winter, to remove dead branches and improve air circulation. Use netting or fencing to protect from deer or pests. Spray organic fungicides to prevent diseases like apple scab or powdery mildew. Keep weeds away and maintain healthy soil. 6. Water and nutrients. Water newly planted trees deeply twice a week during the growing season. Mature trees need weekly watering, especially during dry spells. Apply nitrogen-rich fertilizer in spring, followed by phosphorus and potassium for fruiting. Mulch helps conserve moisture and control weeds. 7. How to earn with apples. Apple farming is big business. A single mature tree can produce 100 to 300 apples, and a small orchard of 100 trees can yield tons of fruit annually. Sell them fresh at markets, supply to stores, or connect with juicing company. Even organic apples fetch premium prices. 8. Ways to make money with apples. You can turn apples into multiple income streams. Sell fresh apples at farmers markets. Make apple juice, cider, or vinegar. Sell apple pies, sauces, and dried apple rings. Start an apple picking farm or orchard tours. Launch a YouTube channel or food blog focused on apple recipes. Partner with local bakeries, schools, or juicing businesses. 9. Informative details. There are over 7,500 varieties of apples globally. Popular types include Fuji, Gala, Honeycrisp, Granny Smith, and Red Delicious. Apple trees can live for 30 to 50 years, producing annually with proper care. They're self-incompatible, meaning you need 2 or more varieties for proper pollination. Also, cold winter dormancy is vital. Apples need chill hours to flower and fruit properly. What's your favorite type of apple? Would you try growing apples in your backyard or starting a small apple-based business? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.